I am Muralidharan, Technical Manager of FTV Proclad LLC. Welcome to Marhaba Gulf. I started my career in UAE in 1993 with a CNC manufacturing unit of oilfield manufacturing engineering, especially on wellhead equipments and other items for related to the oilfield engineering. And in 1993, there was a limited manufacturing companies in UAE. Abu Dhabi having major companies, but in last 25 years, there's an enormous growth in the CNC manufacturing field of especially oil field, energy and other sectors. Office automation started a couple of years back, and we are in touch with them for several support, service support, parts support and service support, retrofitting. They are extending their service support to us with a very technical and reliable manner, very economically, and they are doing all the support, especially on the retrofitting jobs and servicing of machineries and supplying of the parts.